Hello dear student, today I am going to start your new chapter that is perimeters in the area. Do you know what is perimeter? Perimeters have only closed shapes. Okay, do not take a perimeters of a open shapes. First of all, the conditions it's required the closed shapes. So see, closed shapes have a perimeters. Okay, now what is perimeter? Perimeters, the sum of the lengths of all the side of a figure is called as its perimeter. Now it's the definition, means sum of all the sides, external side of particular dot shapes, which is called as the perimeters. Okay, now tell me, what is the perimeters of this rectangular? The perimeters of rectangular ABCD is, so here the one side is 4 centimeter to AB is 4 centimeter, CD is also 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4 the 8 centimeter, and BC is equal to 5 centimeter. As usual, AD is also the 5 centimeter. 5 plus 5 10, so 10 plus 8 18 centimeters. So here is the perimeters is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, now likewise here is also solve this. The one side is 10 centimeter, another is 7 centimeter. Find out the perimeters of the rectangles, because rectangles having the two shapes, side is same and another two shapes side is different. And find out the perimeters of the square. Do you know the perimeters of the squares? The sum of all four external side, one side is equal to 4. The four external side are same in case of the square. So the 5 multiplied by 4, here is the 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So here is the perimeter equals to 20 centimeter. Now see, sum of all side. So here is the 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals to 12 centimeters. Okay, now here is the 12 centimeter. Likewise, as usual, you solve this exercise also. Okay, now this exercise you will also solve that exercise. Okay, it's the homework. Okay, it's very easy. Now see the another page. This questions is omit to you. Okay, now the formula for the perimeters of rectangle. The perimeters of rectangular, the formula is that only. Perimeters of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, because here is the length, both having the length, and this is the breadth having the smaller side as compared to the length. So the perimeters of rectangular, the formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth and sum of all sides. Okay, that is for examples. The length of the rectangles below is 7 cm and its breadth is 3 cm. Let us find the perimeter. Here is the 3 cm, length is the 7 cm. Apply that formula into this figure. Perimeters of rectangular, the name is PQRS, equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. The length is equal to 7 cm. So 2 into 7 plus 2 into breadth is equal to 3 cm. So 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 plus 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 14 equals to 20. Therefore, the perimeters of the rectangle is equal to 20 centimeter. Understand? Now see the formulas for the perimeters of a square. Perimeter of a square, the formula is equal to, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into length of one side, because the squares having 4 the side is same. So the 4 multiplied by length of the one side, means one side length is the same of all the 3 side length. Okay, so the formula of perimeters of a square is equal to 4 into length of the one side. Okay, now see the examples. This is our square. The one side length is equal to 6 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by length of one side, 4 into 6. 4 into 6 4. The side is 4. 4 into length of one side, 1. 4 length of one side is equal to 6 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 6, 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. Therefore the perimeters of a square is equal to 24 centimeters. Understand? Now see the another page, that is page number 70. This is also find out the perimeters. The length of a rectangular park is 100 meter while its width is 80 meter. What is its perimeter? Do you know the formulas of rectangular? 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Do you know? And we find out that. Okay. Now you solve the questions. Okay. Now you solve the questions. So this is our problem set 49. Sorry. So first question is how much wires will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide. Here is the rectangles. Do you know the formula of rectangular? 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, the perimeters of rectangular is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. 2 multiplied by length is equal to 7 cm and the breadth is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 cm. 2 multiplied by 14 and the 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Now add this value, that is 22 cm. So the length of the wire required is 22 cm. Understand? Now see the next questions. That is questions number 2. If a length of rectangles is 20 meter and its weight is 12 meters, what is its perimeter? The perimeters of rectangles, do you know? 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Here is the length is 20 meters and the breadth is 12 meter. So 2 multiplied by 20 equals to 40 meter plus 2 multiplied by breadth is equal to 12 meters. So 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 24 meters. So add that value and the answer is 64 meter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 64 meter. Now see the questions number 3. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Do you know the perimeters of a square? The formula of perimeter of a square, 4 multiplied by length of one side. 4 multiplied by length of one side. Length of one side is equal to 9 meter. So 4 multiplied by 9 meter. So 4 multiplied by 9, 36 meter. So the perimeter of a square is 36 meters. Okay. Now see the questions number 4. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is this distance we walk in kilometers? Okay. Now see the perimeters of playground. Perimeters of playgrounds. The perimeters of here is the rectangle because the length is 160 meters and the weight is 9 meter. So here is the rectangles. Do you know the formula of rectangle? Perimeters of rectangle, 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. 2 multiplied by length is equal to 160 plus 2 multiplied by breadth is equal to 90. So 160 multiplied by 2, 320 meters plus 90 multiplied by 2, 90 breadth multiplied by 2, 180 meter. Add to that one, that's 500 meter. The distance covered in one round is equal to 500 meter. So he want 4 round. So multiplied by 1 round into 4. So 4 multiplied by 500. So answer is 2000 meter. Do you know 1000 is equal to 1000 meter? So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilogram. So here we also written as 2 kilometers. Okay. So one should walk 2 kilometers. Okay. Now see the next questions, that is questions number 5. Sanju complete 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of a park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters and the distance that Sanju covered daily. The perimeters of a square park, 4 multiplied by length of one side, 4 into 120 meter, so is equal to 480 meters. The perimeter of a square is equal to 480 meter. The distance covered in one round around the park equals to 480 meter. The distance covers in 12 rounds, so it take 12 rounds, so multiplied by one round into 12, so 12 multiplied by 480 meter. So the answer is 5760 meters. Okay, now it's also simplified that because it's convert into the kilograms and the meters. Okay, now 500 plus 760, 500 equals to 5 kilometer, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so here take a 5 kilometer, and 760 meter equals to 760 meter, so Sanju cover 5 kilometer 7 meters. Okay, this is the 7 meter. Now see the questions number 6. The length of a rectangular plot of land is 50 meter and its weight is 30 meter. A triple fence has to put along its edge. If a wire costs 60 rupees per meter, what will be the total cost of the wire needed for the fence? The perimeter of a rectangular plot 2 multiplied by length. So here is the answer is 160. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 160 meter. The length of wire required for one round of a fence. The perimeter of a plot for the 3 rounds of fence. 3 multiplied by perimeters. 3 multiplied by perimeters. The perimeters value is 160 meter. So 3 multiplied by 160. The answer is 480 meter. The cost of 1 meter of a wire is equal to 60. So the cost of 480 meter of a wire, 60 multiplied by 480 meter. So the answer is 20,800. So the cost of the fencing is 28,800. Now see the questions number 7. A game requires its players to run around a square playground. Each side of a playground is 20 meters long. One player took 5 rounds around the playground. How many meters did he run altogether? Now here is the square. Do you know the formula of square? 4 multiplied by length of one side. So 4 multiplied by length of one side, the length is equal to 20 meter. So 4 multiplied by 20, so is equal to 80 meter. The distance covers in 5 rounds. So multiplied by 1 round into 5, so 5 multiplied by 80, the answer is 400 meter. Therefore the player runs 400 meter. Now see the questions number 8. 4 rounds of wire fence have to be put around a field. If the field is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide, how much wires will be needed? The perimeters of a field is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Do you know the length? Length is equal to 60 meters and the breadth is equal to 40 meters. So 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to 120 plus 2 multiplied by breadth, that is 40 meters. So 2 multiplied by 40 plus 2 multiplied by 40 is equal to 80 meter. So add that value and the answer is 200 meter. The perimeters of that field is equal to 200 meter. For 4 rounds of a fence, so 200 multiplied by 4, so answer it 800 meter. The length of wire needed is 800 meter. Now see the questions number 9. The side of triangles are 24.7 centimeter and the another side is 20.4 centimeter and the third one is the 10.5 centimeter respectively. What is the perimeter of a triangle? Do you know the perimeters of triangle? Now add that value, all the. So 24.7 plus 20.4 plus 10.5. So now at that value, the answer is 55.6 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to 55.6 centimeter. The questions number 10. It's very easy questions. Look at the figures on the sheet of a graph paper. Measures their sides with the help of the line and the graph papers. Write the perimeters of each in the right box. Do you know one box carry 1 centimeter? So first of all, see the questions number 1, that is ABCD figure. Here is the A to D, 1 centimeter, 1 plus 1 2 centimeter, and that is half centimeter. So the breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter and the length is equal to 1 2 3 and the 5, so 3.5 centimeter. Do you know the perimeters of the rectangles? 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So 2 multiplied by length is equal to 3.5 centimeter plus breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So 3.5 multiplied by 2, the answer is 7, plus 2 multiplied by 2.5, the answer is 5. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So here is the perimeters of rectangular shape ABCD is equal to 12 centimeters. Likewise, we solve 3 examples. Okay.